like some red rice and fried chicken for dinner today, man. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Sam?
Hey, Ghost said before you clock in, butter.
Hold on, one second. Huh?
Before you clock in, you gotta go see him.
What you got going on? What you mean?
I don't know. You gonna find out. That's on you.
Here we go now. Here we go. Hey, let me call you right back, man. Boss man talking about I gotta come see him before I clock in, man. All right. Hello. Ghost. Yep. What's up, bro?
Brother, what time is it?
Man, sit to me and say, get with you before I clock in.
Yeah, brother, because it's almost 4 o'clock. You supposed to be at 8.
Man, brother, man, come on, bro. Man, I'm working on it now. Like, I'm working on the time. I had a little situation this morning, man. You know?
What did you have yesterday morning?
I worked yesterday.
You got here the same time, about 4 o'clock.
But when I got here, I worked.
You worked from 3:40 to 5. I was watching you on the camera. You worked 1 hour.
I'm gonna work on that, bro. I ain't gonna work on that.
But look, today you gonna have to find something to do. Now, if you can't find nothing to do, and you go home until you figure out something to do.
No. I'll find something to do, man. Easy. I'm gonna clock in. I'm about to go find something to do. I'm gonna help my boys in the back, man.
Man, clock in, man.
Ghost, man. I promise you I'm going to work. Find something.
Work.
And find something to do, Ghost. Hey, man, the boy trying to keep me out, send me outside. What's up, Bo?
What's up going on, bro?
Man, shit, I come check up on you, man. See if you need a little help, man. I'm trying to get you in.
You worked on car before, bro?
Boy, I worked on a car, boy, with my uncle back in the day.
Man, alright.
But I quit. I can learn now.
Listen,
Ain't
all I
nobody-
need you to do, take the oil cap off, because I got to drain the oil.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? That's it.
All right.
Nothing else.
I got that.
Alright.
That's easy. That's easy right there. That's easy right there. Finish.
What was that?
What was that?
What was that noise?
Man, I
Hey,
thought-
man. Hey, you got to take Butter back in the inside, man. He got here blowing up stuff, man.
Brother, what you doing out here?
Man, I'm trying to take the oil top off. You go-
The oil top? This a belt.
Yeah, you got to take it
Come on,
back with
brother.
you.
Come on back in. Hey, he don't do this kind of work, man. We give away gas. Come on, man.
I'm sorry,
Hey,
bro.
you need to stick to the gas, my brother.
I tried, man. How all this hard work?
Come on.
Yeah. So I guess I'm on a house mouse now.
Yeah, just come in here. Come in here, son. Don't worry about it.
Cool in here anyway.
Yeah.
Hot outside.
Yeah.